Where is the compassionate appointment scheme or rules?
Rule, my lord, as per the rule, the adopted son, they are not entitled.
Sir, we are asking you where is the scheme of appointment on compassionate ground? Is it a scheme or rules?
A scheme, my lord.
Where is that?
It is here, my lord.
You don't have copies?
I have got.
You don't have?
Compassionate guideline.
I have already filed.
State government is very poor. Therefore, no copies, at least Xerox copy. Financially, you are not sound.
Which provision you are?
The comments of first page, my lord. The who will be eligible for the appointment? The son, daughter. This is the scheme which has come in force in the year.
What is the date? The date of issuance of this scheme?
The date of a scheme is 1977, my lord.
No, you are asking us to make research. What, sir? Can't you jot down few dates?
Council, there is no such clarification so far as the son is concerned, that adopted son.
There is who will be eligible?
Which page?
First,
That clarification.
I'm sorry, my lord.
घा says that अनुकंपा के आधार पर निम्नलिखित प्राथमिकताओं के अनुसार उनके आश्रित
First page, my lord.
मृत
As Gha, my lord. Gha. Putra.
There is no clarification that adopted son will not include putra.
Putra means son.
They
And apart from this, my lord,
have
apart from this, he is claiming that he is the adopted son of Kamlavati, my lord. Even as per the provisions laid down under 8 of that Adoption Act, my lord, and apart from this, because in this case, my lord, there are three arguments, my lord. First, that the Kamlavati is concerned, she became traceless, and after this expiry of 7 years, it is deemed that she has died.
No, this has not been amended.
It has been amended, my lord.
On what date? Whether any incorporation?
On several times it has been amended, my lord.
Whether adoption son or a daughter is entitled to compassionate appointment or not?
Subsequently, it has come that adopted son, they are entitled, my lord.
They
Subsequently,
are,
12-5
Then why you are not producing the subsequent amendment? Why are you hesitating?
circular, my lord.
Whatever it may be, sir.
That is there, my lord.
We have to write no judgment. Whether he has a right or not.
Because first, whether the petitioner is eligible or not, firstly, he has to show that yes, he is the adopted son.
So you admit that adopted son or a daughter is entitled to compassionate appointment. Shall we record?
So far as adopted son is concerned, yes, that
That is the position.
we record, my lord.
Yes.
Then only thinking adoption deed is not in terms of adoption act. Right.
Because so far as that flag is concerned, it has come, but so far as the petitioner is concerned, he is not the adopted son, Lord. He has failed to prove that he is the adopted son, because so far as the adoption is concerned, as per the provisions laid down under the Adoption Act,
No, he is relying on Annexure 2. Who can adopt? Parent. Parent includes mother and father and mother.
there are separate provisions, Lord, for female separately, for male separately, Lord. Separate provisions as laid down under.
Show us from that act where there is a.
Section 8 and 9 of the Adoption Act, Lord. My lord, so far as Law Hindu Adoptions and Maintenance Act 1956, my lord.
Read section 8.
Prior to that, I may allowed to read first section 5, Lord. Adoptions to be regulated by this chapter. No adoption shall be made, it is mandatory in nature. No adoption shall be made after the commencement of this act by or to except in accordance with the provisions contained in this chapter, and any adoption made in contravention of the said provisions shall be void. So as per the provisions laid down under this act, the adoption has to be made. Then section 8, Lord. Capacity of a female Hindu, prior to that, Lord. 7, my lord, capacity of the male person, Lord.
Sir, forget about male and all. Now you have to point out that female can adopt.
My lord, 8, my lord. Capacity of a female Hindu to take in adoption. Any female Hindu who is of sound mind and is not minor has the capacity to take a son or daughter in adoption. Then proviso, my lord. Provided that if, perhaps my lord has got it. I am reading out.
Yes, sir.
My lord. Then provision, my lord. Provided that if she has a husband living, he shall not adopt a son or daughter except with the consent of the husband. So far as the Kamlavati is concerned, she has the husband, Lord.
No, he has died as on the date of adoption deed.
Already somebody she was as per his assertion, Lord, on the day of adoption he was alive, Lord.
What is the date of adoption?
Adoption, he says that in the year
1587, my lord.
it is his case, Lord, that on the day of adoption he was alive. It is his case, and he is saying that since only on the affidavit she has said that I have a desert. It is his case, Lord.
No, my lord,
No, as on the date of adoption, her husband died or what?
her husband, she was divorced and got second marriage, and she was died.
Her husband was died.
Died.
On what date?
I have stated in para 5 of my date.
Sir, please give the date,
At the
sir.
time of adoption, 1/5/1987, my lord.
1/5?
1987.
What is the date of adoption?
No, 1/5/1987, my lord. Date
Same.
Prior to the 1/5/1987, the husband of the Kamlavati was died.
You don't know the date of your husband's death.
Actually, I'm the son, adopted son, my lord. Therefore,
Dates are relevant.
earlier she was divorcee. My mother, my adopted mother, I have stated in para 5, my lord. So therefore, my humble submission, my lord, I have stated.
All right, that's all.
No,
Still, you want to argue?
my submission
Yeah.
on the date of adoption, after death of husband.
All right, we will make a note that prior to your adoption deed, your husband died.
My husband died.
Para 4 is in para 4 itself he has said
Or para
at that time he was alive.
date of, my lord, list of date is relevant, my lord. One,
Sir, that is the reason we are asking you, but you are not able to give. What is the date of death of your husband?
my lord, my mother's first husband, my lord. I'm the adopted son, my lord.
All right, sir.
Divorcee, I mean, she took divorce of first husband. Thereafter, after death, she adopted me.
What is the date of what is the date of divorce?
My lord, this fact has not disputed earlier, my lord.
All right, we are asking you. We are disputing. What is the date of divorce?
My lord, some adjournment may be granted for.
Sorry, we are extremely sorry.
My lord, my last occasion, my lord, please to direct state to.
Only to provide a scheme of comparison appointment.
They have concealed the material fact. Deed of adoption is essential requirement of valid adoption or not.
Now he has explained with the act.
My lord, in succession case, in succession कर entire issue with
Sir,
respect.
counsel, you are repeating. We are very sorry.
My lord,
We heard you on last occasion also.
My lord,
And you-
my highly
Sorry, sir.
my lord, for hearing me, my lord.
We will
But matter
We will
relating
give you 5 minutes. We will give you 5 minutes. By the time you have to convince.
in succession case, 6 witnesses has been examined. First of all, they asked me to produce the succession certificate, annexure 1 of the writ application. I filed succession certificate being an adopted son. The learned court below issue succession in class 1 legal heirs. In succession case, my lord, as per the provision of the Succession Act, class 1 legal heirs is the son. My lord, kindly see the Succession Act, the provision of the Succession Act, my lord.
Sorry, sir.
My lord.
That is not relevant.
My lord, one thing. The succession certificate was issued considering I have duly adopted by the late Kamlawati after death of husband. This issue and the evidence has come in this regard before the learned court below. They have not disputed in their counter affidavit. They said ki no counter. I have no objection in the succession case.
Yes, sir.
The adoption, valid adoption was tested by the learned court below. Requirement of law, para 5(6) of the Adoption Act, my lord. Valid adoption. What is the valid adoption, my lord?
Sorry, mister.
My lord.
Sorry, we will not.
My lord, kindly page 24, kindly see, my lord.
We have seen it.
Page 24 of the
We
order.
have seen it.
My lord, the section 5 and section 6 of the Indian Adoption Act, my lord.
Yes, sir.
My lord, permit.
Sir, you don't have foundation, sir. Adoption deed. In the absence,
Last
in the
occasion,
absence of that, everything.
therefore, they submitted the circular of 2005. Only requirement ki adoption as per the Hindu Adoption Act. No requirement of deed of adoption.
We are asking you, where is the date?
The requirement, the honorable last occasion, my lord direction, I have submitted 2 decisions passed with the honorable Apex and the honorable Bombay High Court. My lord, considering that there is a only giving and taking requirement is
Heard, petition stands rejected. Brother will write. Call the next case.